I bet you didn't know birds could throw parties. Meet Tweety, our feathered dancing queen. Tweety isn't just any bird, she's a bundle of joy. Every morning she wakes up with a chirp and a twirl. She loves to spread her wings and share her happiness with everyone. But that's not all. Tweety throws the best parties in the forest. All her friends, the squirrels, the bunnies, and even the shy tortoise, join in for a day full of laughter and fun. One day, Tweety found a little lost chick. She didn't just help him find his way home, she made a new friend. Together, they sang songs, danced, and made memories. So if you're ever feeling down, just think of Tweety and her happy little world. Because in Tweety's world, there's always a reason to smile. Don't miss out on Tweety's joyful adventures. Subscribe for more heartwarming stories.